in Richard and Nancy's kitchen with the Fat Chefs. Today we're going to make clam dip. The ingredients you will need are cream cheese, can of chopped clams, lemon or limes, hot cherry peppers, and green onions. It's best to have your cream cheese at room temperature. Then we dice into 1-inch blocks. Green onions cut into small slices. We add the cream cheese to our food processor, then the clam juice, about 3/4 of what's in the can. Next, blend well. A squeeze of lime. Add the cherry peppers. A can of clams. Just a little pulse. You don't want to remove the texture of the clams by over-mixing. Add the green onions. Stir by hand and put in a bowl. Add your favorite chips and enjoy. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.